My experience with Traction Complete has been amazing, working with the team, working with the product. I honestly feel like the success team is sometimes part of my team. Hi, I'm Steven Daniels. I'm the Senior Director of Revenue Operations at Cresta. What Cresta does is we provide real-time conversational intelligence to the modern call center. Before we had Traction Complete, we had no real way of identifying our territories and understanding our accounts. Our Salesforce was kind of a makeshift amalgamation of different accounts being added by reps. The way in which we're using both complete leads and complete hierarchies is we are routing the leads not based on where the account is based, but based on where the global ultimate account is based. Complete hierarchies has made it possible for us to build out territories for our enterprise segment, which is pretty much our entire segment of customers. Without complete hierarchies, we'd have a lot of accounts incorrectly assigned in our system because we wouldn't have the understanding or the infrastructure to know that this subsidiary is part of this larger organization. The features I found most useful in complete leads is one, how it integrates with the hierarchy product, so we can route leads based on the topmost parent company, not just within the base hierarchy or within that account, as well as just all of the functionality already built in, like the really robust matching engine. I think every company needs a solution like Traction Complete. Traction Complete was actually one of the first software items I purchased when I joined Cresta. I would say the number one biggest benefit of working with Traction Complete as a whole is really their CSM team. They really knock it out of the park, and they are the best CSM team that I've worked with of all the software vendors that I've worked with in my decade-long tech career. So kudos to the team. You guys are awesome.